Yo, you know the vibes, man. It's the Don. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing a 2v2 guess that famous video game sound effect. It's gonna be me and Mike versus Nasim and Ari. We both picked 10 sounds and we're gonna be going head to head. Like whoever get the highest score out of the 10 wins. So we're gonna be guessing video game sound that the other team chooses. You gotta get right into it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. Subscribe if you want, but make sure you drop a like. I appreciate it. Let's get into it. So Ari and Nasim gonna be going first.
Senior Dream, aka Nas Tech. You know what I'm saying? We back in the building, dude. Actually, no, I gotta do that though.
It's your boy. It's like, that's Ari, man. Back, I ain't hooping the grip, but you know, I can throw a bucket either way. No matter what it is.
Aight. So it's me and Mike's turn. We about to take this dub though. Let's go. Y'all ready? Alright, so we about to get in right into it. Me and Mike picked 10 sounds. I'm behind the camera right now, but me and Mike picked 10 sounds. We about to play it for them and they have to guess that famous video game sound. Y'all ready for y'all first one?
Mario. Next.
What? What is the sound effect? What is happening?
Oh, he just powered up.
Mushroom.
Mushroom?
Okay, correct.
That is correct. That's one for one. That's one for one.
Oh, hold on. I figured this was gonna be the easiest one.
The easiest one, yeah.
He falls to the ground after.
Played it from the beginning though.
He falls to the ground after.
Is that Fight Night? Bro, that sound like you got hit with a mean uppercut. Like super bad. Like,
That was our last time playing for you. It literally just.
bro, we played that shit too.
Told y'all, bro.
It literally just told y'all what happened.
He got hit with a mean, like a mean joint. He went down.
What game?
I don't know. Champions?
Yeah.
Fight Night Champions?
First one right.
We got it. Second John.
Y'all ready? Go ahead.
Start.
One more?
Oh no.
That's not
Oh.
something. Wheel or something.
No, that's when you about to when the block keep like spinning between the items, and then you hit it.
So, what are y'all guessing? Like,
That's Mario.
Mario what? What's the sound effect?
That's a lot of different Marios.
Only one game has the sound effect.
No, that's a lot of games.
No, it's not. It's only one game.
That's Mario. Oh, Mario
No,
Kart.
you're gonna name it.
Mario Kart. When you get the item.
Yes. Thank you. Yeah. That's the only when you hit the question mark and it rolls.
Oh, that's a lot of Mario Kart.
Okay, they 2 for 2 though.
All right. Second John.
Second Jinski.
Right. I don't know.
Is that a sound effect or a theme during the game?
It happens in the game.
Yes.
Oh, I might definitely might take that other one.
You played this John, bro.
I played it? No clue.
I
have zero idea.
I'm surprised he don't know.
I gotta be GTA, bro. Let's just guess GTA. GTA, fucking doorbell or some shit. I don't know.
Final guess?
Yes, fuck it.
That is incorrect.
Batman Arkham Asylum.
What the fuck sound effect is that?
Yeah, that's when Joker's about to make an announcement. This happens. And he makes an announcement throughout. Are you ready?
Y'all ready for your third one?
That's Sonic. Whenever he gets hit and the ringtone.
Yes, Sonic lose
Correct.
points. That is correct. 3 for 3.
Alright.
All this shit not easy. I don't know why y'all dipping each other up. Y'all wanna get dipped.
Nah, this is a memorable ass game.
I'm gonna know it on you.
I played this game. I see Injustice. You know when you about to do your special.
No,
and it's zoom in.
no,
Yeah, it's
no,
not
no,
that.
no.
Oh wait, is that Def Jam Fight for New York?
Final answer?
Bro, I'm not. When they do the specials, they say some shit, bro.
Final answer.
Bro, yes.
Wait, no.
Yes?
Wait, no. Is that
Everybody funny as shit.
Def Jam? It could be multiple. They have multiple. Yo, that has to be Def Jam Fight for New York.
Final answer.
When you about to do a special, yes. Final answer.
That is incorrect.
It's the Warriors.
It's the Warriors. PS2.
The Warriors.
The Warriors game?
Oh, when the screen
red.
turned red. I know exactly what you're talking
I'm
about.
gonna know it on you.
Fuck yeah! Oh my god!
Popular as fuck.
Yo, I just peeped that shit.
Popular ass game, bro.
Y'all ready for your fourth one? Alright.
This is a famous game.
Famous game.
Old game, right? Where?
We ain't saying nothing.
Bro, I want to guess Contra, but I thought it's Contra.
I don't know what the fuck Contra is. I don't know what that is.
Too young to get it wrong.
Bro, cars being blown up.
It's Taxi when he crashed.
Taxi in the Crash? No. That is Crash Bandicoot and TNT blow up.
1 for 3. Alright. This question number 4. Down.
That is a sound effect.
That's it.
It is a sound effect.
Oh wait, is that me street? That's what I was about to say.
It's just
Okay.
NBA straight in the menu. Fine.
Correct.
That's correct.
That's easy as fuck.
Alright,
That's
so-
easy as shit.
Nigga,
Nigga said at the same time.
Nigga, that is not.
Ready?
Yeah, ready?
That's Pac-Man.
He does.
We done. Okay, that's correct. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 4 for 5.
Question number 5 or sound number 5.
Bro, that sounds like GTA 5 to be honest.
It sounds like Vice.
What sound like it happens when you do something? That's
Yeah, it's an admission.
Really again?
Yo, that could be any GTA. They always have music like that. But it sounds like Vice City to me for some reason.
If you feeling Vice City,
He found 5. He found Vice City.
I'm gonna say Vice City. I'm gonna say Vice City. I'm gonna say Vice City.
I guess I got it right. It is when the time running out on Vice City.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Ready? 6-1.
this is the most distinct sound in the world.
Friga.
We're gonna shoot him? That is correct.
See that? I didn't know that.
I'm like,
Yeah. That's good. Easy as shit. Easy as shit.
Is them tears, bro?
Now this is grind mode. Now.
Nah.
The fuck? I have no fucking clue.
Final decisions.
Oh, hold on.
I have 0.
Play that drum. That sounds so familiar though. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like it's when you're using your phone in GTA. If that sounds like.
Fuck no, I can't. I could see why it could be that, but I don't think so.
Yeah, I'm gonna say when you're using your phone in GTA.
I guess.
Fuck it, yeah.
That was a great
That is
I guess. But
that is incorrect, bro.
What is it?
Little Big Planet.
I'm done. It is. I'm done. Oh my god, I can hear it now. It's when you pull up the fucking pod,
Yes,
yo.
bro.
Oh my god. Yo,
Alright, so pop it in.
I'm not thinking about that shit right. Oh my god.
Come on, Sean. You fucking us
Yo,
up.
it's literally, it's when you pull up the little fucking pod, it come out his little arm.
Yeah,
Yo, I'm done, yo. Oh
I
my
know
god.
bro. We used to play that shit all the time.
Facts. Yo, that's crazy.
You ready?
Are you ready? 7-1, right?
You need me to replay it?
Roblox.
Roblox?
Final answer.
Roblox oomph.
Is your final answer?
When you die.
Is that your final answer?
You got something else, bro?
Yeah, no.
No. Are you sure? But that's Roblox.
Roblox?
That is incorrect.
That's
That
incorrect.
is Minecraft when you take damage.
Yes.
Oh, that is Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Fuck. That shit got famous on Roblox though.
Yeah, the Roblox sound effect is different.
It's way different.
Oh, for real?
Way different.
Oh, it's ooh.
Yeah,
remember that? Oh, it's similar, but it's not. Alright, so it's question number 7.
It's 110 degrees in here. Takes 7 hours in the chip.
Wait, this is a sound effect? That's not a sound effect. A sound effect is when something happens and
wasn't
a
a
sound
song.
comes out of it. Like when you get a mushroom and it go doom doom doom. That's a sound effect. This is like a nigga just rapping.
Yeah, bro. Like, what the fuck is that?
Nigga is literally
That's not a sound effect.
Bro, this nigga is literally chatting right now. That was Wii Sports, bro. Wait, play it again? No, I'm saying in bowling, he doesn't say that.
Oh, no, he doesn't.
So that has to be baseball. Am I tripping? They gotta be throwing a baseball in Wii Sports. Throwing
Final answer?
Yes.
That is
I
incorrect.
knew it.
Let's go. Bowling. It's bowling. You are throwing something in bowling.
Bro, that's the only time he says that shit.
When does he
You
say
literally
the
said in baseball, he says strike.
Yeah. You said that.
He does not say this shit.
Bro,
in baseball.
when does he say that in bowling?
I don't, nigga, I never played them, so
Bro, when
don't
you,
ask me.
when you throw it, the crowd is always behind.
I don't play Wii.
When does he say nice throw?
Alright, get ready for the sound.
What sound effect is it?
Batman.
Yo, it does. Yeah,
It's Batman Arkham.
Batman, what's happening in Batman?
And he's throwing the battery, the remote battery.
What the fuck is he talking about?
No, it's not. It's the.
It's not my. It's the detonator.
Oh, wait.
It's a detonator.
It's the
Yeah.
detonator thing.
Final answer? Batman? Final answer?
Detonator.
That's Batman, bro. If it's not Batman, it's some bullshit, bro.
I'm
That's
just asking, is it your final
Detonator.
answer? Batman? Detonator?
It's not-
the time detonator.
it's not the spray detonator. It's not that.
Yeah, it's a time one. Yeah, let's go Batman. I don't know.
Alright, back.
Detonator? Is they talking
That
about?
is
That's nowhere near.
incorrect.
That shit wasn't even close. That is throwing a Simtex in Black Ops 2.
Red Dead Redemption, to be honest.
Dude. But it could be old as Duty. I think
That's not Duty.
I think that's Red Dead Redemption. Huh? That's Red Dead Redemption?
What part?
How the fuck am I supposed to know that? I don't know. It's not the. I have no fucking clue. That's Red Dead Redemption. I should get the bucket. The ninth one.
Alright, ready?
Ready?
That's
Black Ops 3.
That's Black Ops 3.
That's Black Ops 3.
That's Gravity Spikes.
Yeah, the Gravity Spikes. Yeah.
Black Ops 3 Gravity Spikes? That is correct.
Damn. Right.
That sounds familiar. I actually played
Bro,
by.
I said that shit in the first video.
Yo, that's crazy. The first bit.
I remember that shit.
The first video y'all pulled up.
That was the last like Call of Duty I really played.
I'm not.
Shit. I mean, like, easy jump.
We passed a mission.
Yeah.
Pass a mission in Syndrome.
Yeah, like
That was super kick, bro. Come on.
Niggas trying to say I'm sabotaging.
Nigga, you trying to dick us.
Yeah.
Why you ain't give us that? Why you ain't give us that for like the fourth joint? That's like the easiest joint.
Y'all ready?
Y'all ready?
That's zombies.
What is it though?
That's zombies. That's like the bear. That's the bear when you open up the box, mystery box so many times.
What?
When you open the mystery box 3 times,
3 times? Nigga, it has no limit.
3 just do. And then they switch it over to another place.
So is he basically saying mystery box move? What are you trying to say? What's the sound
I
effect?
don't know what
Mystery
game
box.
that is though. They
I
all,
thought it was
they
like-
all.
No, you don't gotta give us the game. Just give us the sound effect.
No, it's the mystery box.
Move, is it? What is it
When
doing?
it moves to another place.
Yeah, that is correct. That nigga right there.
Mystery Box when it moves.
That nigga, bro, that nigga seemed don't know shit, y'all. That nigga just go, bro. You got carried.
I didn't answer.
You got carried so bad.
I mean, I answered something, nigga. Better than none, nigga.
The last,
Boy, that was
the last
easy.
joint. Look, bro, look.
Alright,
It's
this
not
not
give
hard.
out no hints. But if y'all
What
get
you
this
mean?
right, if y'all get this right, y'all win.
Play that again?
I sound like some shit up with Skyrim, like some weird ass shit.
It sounds like some like when you get on a motorcycle on Batman or something like that.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No, that's not it.
I'm sorry, bro. I sound like not like a motorcycle.
It definitely do sound like a motorcycle.
That's not no zombie. Come on now.
Yeah, that can't be a zombie.
That is a monster. That has to be a monster.
Yeah,
Final guess.
you might as well say Resident Evil.
Resident Evil when a monster just yelling in your mid
What?
before you
That-
stab you.
Alright,
Is
it's incorrect.
That is incorrect.
Incorrect.
Okay.
What is it?
The right answer was War of the Monsters.
Alright, come on. Nobody has played that, John.
What is he talking about? What is he talking about? What is that?
War of the Monsters, bro. When Congar is screaming, he doing his move.
War, bro. War of the monster. Bro, I didn't even know that was
This game, bro.
I didn't even know that was a game. Alright, y'all, I'm here with the niggas who took the dub. It was Ari and I seen the niggas gave us some of the worst. That was one of the worst lists.
That was hard. Hang on, it was
hard.
Bro, these niggas,
That wasn't word, it was
niggas was
hard.
not giving
I know
us
it was
sound effects.
It was
though.
sound effects.
If y'all want a part 2, make sure y'all go ahead and drop a like to tell me that y'all want a part 2 from this video. I was guessing famous video game sound effects. Seem and Eric took the dub. They cheated a little bit, but it's cool. Make sure y'all guys subscribe to everybody that was in the video. All the links will be down. If y'all know, I got a new camera, so the quality is a little better. So I hope y'all just like the video and subscribe if you would like to. But that is it. It's the Don. We out, man. Peace.